Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find best Ding promo codes. So in order to do it, you just have to open the web browser and you need to search for Ding promo codes 2025. So you just have to type 2025 after it. Then you just have to scroll down a bit in order to find the coupon codes. So this is the latest top-up promotion, so you can just click on it and it is from the official ding.com website. After that, you can click on this one that is giving you 75% off Ding promo codes, and you can even open the links in a new tab in order to take a look at the one website in which you are interested. So first we will come on ding.com, and here these are the currently working promotions, and here you can just take a look at it, and you can just grab them if you are interested in any of the promo codes which is official from ding.com. But here you will notice that none of the promo codes or the promotions is relating to Ding. So in order to find it, you just have to come to the other website. It is couponbirds.com. So here you just have to simply click on the promo code in which you are interested. Let's say I'm interested in this one that is giving me 50% off. So once you click on it, it will show you that you can enjoy incredible 50% off on any purchase that you make, best sales on the season. So you need to just tap on copy, and here you can just even take a look at the proof. It is on any other website, but you just have to simply copy it from here, then come to ding.com, sign in into your account. Now if you have already used your email address on Ding, I would recommend you to use a new email address, and then these types of promo codes work for you. So you just have to simply create your account over here with the new email address, and at the time of checkout you just have to use the coupon code that we just copied from here. So this is how you can basically find Ding coupon codes in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.